how to add a bookmark to a Google Sheet so that you don't have to go and open the sheet and then click on the right tab to go straight to the tab. So I have a Google Sheet here. As you can see, I've got 3 tabs, 3 worksheets in it. The first one is students, assignments, and grades. Now, as I go into each of those, notice the URL here. It actually changes. Students, and then if I click on assignments, see the URL has changed here. And then if I go into grades, there's a new URL, and that is all that I'm going to add to a bookmark so that I can close this Google Sheet, click on this, and it will open again. So I'm going to select the tab that I want, which is this one is grades, and I'm going to just click on, I'm in Google Chrome, and I'm just going to click on bookmark this tab. I get to select whether I want it to go to the bookmarks bar or to some other folder. I can create a new folder, but I'm just going to put it straight onto the bookmarks bar so that it will appear up here. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to call that student grades. I'm going to change the name here. And there it is, student grades. So now if I go out of Google, if I go out of Google Sheets, and then I click on student grades, takes me straight in to that sheet. And if I want to remove that one, I can right click and simply delete it. I can edit my bookmarks, or I can manage them here through Google Chrome bookmarks as well.